Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jian. Today we're going to make this basic white rose and leaves. In this video, I made 6 different sizes of roses from small rose buds to full bloomed roses. I hope you can use this video as a practice guideline. I'm going to use 2 piping tips today. One is for the flower and one is for the leaves. So for the first one is Ateco petal tip 102. Ateco tip is more narrow, so for these numbers I recommend you to use Ateco tip. And for the leaf tip, you can use either Ateco or Wilton. My buttercream already has a nice creamy white color, so I won't add any additional food coloring today. If you want to check how I made this white fluffy buttercream, check out my recent recipe video. And for the leaves, I'm using Kelly green and small amount of black from Wilton. And especially if you have a warm hand, I recommend you to wear a cotton glove on your dominant hand, otherwise the buttercream will turn soft very easily. So starting from here, I'm going to show you the smallest rose to the full bloom rose, and at the end I'll show you how to pipe the leaves. After piping the middle section, I'm going to add 5 more petals and that'll be it for this small size bud. I wanted to show you these small size buds because these are great to use it as a filler. The next rose is piping 10 petals. I will still consider this as a flower bud. It's still small, but it's good to combine with the smaller buds and make a group section nearby the main flower. This is also great to use it as a filler. Now from 15 to 25 petals, we can say this is a small size rose or a medium size rose. You can combine one of these small size flower and some of the flower buds and also decorate on your cupcakes and also make a small group section on your cake. Now we're making a medium-sized flower. I'm piping 20 petals. For this medium-sized flower, you can use a single flower to decorate your cupcake. And these sizes are always good to have it as a backup flower, so wherever you have to cover or fill it up, you can use these medium-sized roses. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. If you want to learn more, please subscribe my channel. I will come up with more tutorials. The next one is piping 25 petals. This one is closer to the full blossom flower. You can also use this as a single decoration for your cupcake, or if you want to create a bigger and stronger main section, you can combine these medium flowers with the full blossom flowers. Now the last one is piping 40 petals. Depending on your cake, you can always make 30 petals or 35 petals, but in this video, my last full bloom flower will be 40 petals. This 40 petal rose will be my ideal for the full bloomed rose, so I will use this for my main section. So wherever you see the cake, if you see the main part, I will use this full bloom rose in the main part, and also you can add one or two of these full bloomed rose on your cupcake. So one or two of your cupcakes can have full bloom rose, and you can create a full rose garden on your cupcake. Also, depending on my rose sizes, I adjust my leaf size. So wherever, if I have a small bud, I tend to pipe a smaller leaf, and if I have a bigger size, you can always squeeze more and make a bigger leaf with the same piping tip. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe my channel. I'll come up with more tutorials.